Hey guys, this is Abhishek from GadgetStudio.com, and today we are going to do the full unboxing and quick review of the Auris Bluetooth car adapter. Here we have the device in the package itself, as you can see. When it comes to this adapter which you can buy, the functionality of this adapter is pretty good because you can actually stream the audio from any Bluetooth device, including a Windows 8 laptop as well. And you can actually stream the audio with the help of this Bluetooth adapter and make any device a kind of a wireless speaker with the help of some extra speaker which you might have. Now when it comes to the connectivity and when it comes to the features, you have support for 2 phones at a time, so you can actually connect 2 phones with this adapter. You have the streaming audio support over here. You also have a noise cancellation unit on the device itself, which again give you good quality of sound. If we talk about the other specifications, we have a talk time of around 10 hours. That means if you actually use this adapter and if you connect it to your car speakers or any other speakers which you have in your house or in your office, you can get around 10 hours of overall talk time in case you want to use it with your phone. Now another thing, you will get 8 hours of music playback in case you use this adapter with some external speakers which you have. You have a standby time of around 640 hours. You have an effective range of around 10 meters on this device once you pair it with your phone. Another thing is that you have all these kind of profiles supported. So you have A2DP support on this device, you have HFP, HSP and AVRA RCP as well. When it comes to the codec, you have these kind of codec supported. You can always play MP3 files as songs from another device with which this adapter is connected. Again, the device is quite small in terms of the size, and in terms of the weight, it is fairly light at 22.7 gram, which is nothing actually. Now if we take a look over the package, what we have in the package itself, we have the Bluetooth car adapter, the Auris Bluetooth car adapter. You have a magnetic base which allows you to actually stick this device onto a dashboard or something, and then you have AUX 3.5mm audio cable which come within the package. You also get an audio extension cable in case the audio cable is short, and you also get the micro USB cable inside the package for charging, the USB card charger and the user guide. So again, let's unbox this device and let's take a look what we have in the package. So this is how the package looks like, and let's open it. So the first thing which we have seen in the box is the car charger which comes with this device, and again this charger is going to help you to charge the Bluetooth adapter on the go in your car, and you also get the cable to charge it. Here we have the adapter itself. So this is the Bluetooth Auris adapter, the Auris Bluetooth car adapter, as you can see. And again, in terms of the overall design, it is quite minimalistic. Here you have the on and off button on the device, you have the connectivity port, the AUX connectivity port, and here you have the charging port, and that's it. When it comes to the ports, you have some vents over here, some holes which are actually for the LED notifications on this device. And here we have the magnetic dock, or you can say a connector. So you can actually remove this white tape over here and then you can stick this thing on your car, and we will show you later how you can do that. And you can always place this adapter on the dashboard, and you can always remove it as well because this thing will keep on sticking to the dashboard and you can remove this part. Apart from this, if we take a look over the cables, this is the audio extension cable which come within the package. The length of the cable is quite long, especially in case you want to extend it. And here we have the audio cable which come within the package. It is again quite long. So you have the audio cable for connecting this device to your speakers. It could be your car speakers, it could be your home speakers, it could be your home theater speakers as well. And you have this kind of a cable with which you can connect it, and you also get an extension cable in case this cable is short for you, so you can extend the length of the cable to almost double. Apart from this, we get the micro USB to USB cable within the package to charge this device, and again you can charge it with a universal USB wall charger as well, and the micro USB port will go over here, as you can see, and this part, this end, will either go to the car charger in case you are charging it in the car, or you can plug it into a universal USB charger, which come again for very cheap price, but it doesn't come within the package of this device. So these are all the things within the package. Okay, now we are going to first of all tell you how you can actually connect this adapter with your device from which you would like to stream the audio out to the speakers. And as you can see over here, the Auris Bluetooth adapter is already listed over here. You just need to turn it on. As you can see, it is already turned on. And let me just try connecting this device. So once you have connected to the Bluetooth car adapter, you just need to go into the audio settings over here on this device, and let me just show you the same. So under volume you will find these audio settings so that you can actually play back the music. So you need to go to the playback devices over here, and let me just show you the same over here. So as you can see here, we have all the playback devices, and here you will find the Auris Bluetooth car adapter, especially in case you want to stream the audio from the laptop. So you will need to make this playback device as default, so that all the audio from the device should go through this adapter. Now let's connect this adapter to my speaker. So as you can see, we have a speaker over here, a small speaker, and we have connected the cable, one end of the cable to the speaker in the line in, and the other end we are going to connect it to the Auris adapter, as you can see. And once we have connected both of these things, so now these two things are actually connected, and the audio of the laptop is going through this Bluetooth adapter. Let's play a song and show you how does that song get played on this speaker without even connecting the speaker with a wire to the laptop itself. Now as you can see, we have selected a song which we are going to play from this device, and once we play this song, it will get played through this speaker over here. The small speaker is just an example which we have just used. You can always connect this device, the Auris adapter, which is right now connected to this speaker, to your home theater speakers as well, and this way you can actually stream the audio data or any kind of song which you are playing on your laptop or on your phone as well directly to your home theater without connecting these devices to your home theater with a wire. So now we are going to showcase the functionality of the Auris Bluetooth adapter whenever you use this adapter in your car. So basically it will convert your car speaker into a Bluetooth speaker. So that means you can actually connect any phone with this device and make it connected to your car with the help of the AUX connectivity which I have as of now in this car over here. So basically you can connect this device to the AUX, and once you have connected the Auris adapter, the Auris Bluetooth car adapter with your car, you have to just pair it with your phone using Bluetooth. First of all, you need to turn this thing on over here, and once you turn it on, you have to pair it. So as you can see, the Auris Bluetooth adapter has been connected to this device now, and this phone can now stream the audio through this device to your car speakers. And now what we will do is we will try playing a song on this device, and we will listen that song through this Bluetooth adapter without even connecting the phone, without any wire to your car speakers. We'll also show you how you can actually talk on the phone with your car speakers once you have them connected through this Bluetooth adapter to your car speakers. So let's first of all take a look over the music functionality. So as you can see, we are playing a song over here on this device, and we are streaming it through the Bluetooth car adapter, the Auris Bluetooth car adapter to my car speakers as of now. And let me just turn on the volume. So this way you can stream any kind of audio from your phone with the Bluetooth functionality by connecting it to this device to your car speakers. Another thing which I would like to tell you about this adapter is that you have a sticky tape over here which you can remove. So once you remove this tape over here, you can actually stick this adapter to your car anywhere you would like to, and this is how it will be there. You don't have to actually carry it once you have connected it, and this is how you can stick it anywhere wherever you want to. And again, it can be removable, so you have a magnetic dock over here which actually holds this part. So once you attach this part over here anywhere on the dashboard, you can actually have this thing mounted and it will keep on working, as you can see. So the Auris Bluetooth car adapter also comes with this car charger, and this comes within the package, and you also have a cable supplied within the package so that you can connect the car charger over here in this port. And once you connect the car charger into the car charging port, you can actually charge this Bluetooth adapter on the go in your car itself like this, and whenever it is charging it will display this LED over here, so you will get an indication that it is charging. So now, as you can see, we are dialing a number from this device just to demo you the functionality of this device whenever you are on a voice call. So you don't have to actually touch your phone. Once you have this thing connected with this, and the speakers will actually act as a loudspeaker for your mobile phone, and you can easily talk with any number, with any of your friend, in case you are getting a call on your phone. That's all from us as far as the quick hands-on review of the Auris Bluetooth car adapter is concerned. You can always use this adapter in your car. You can use it at home as well. As far as the MRP of this adapter is concerned, this device comes for an MRP of around $44.50, as you can see over here. And again, you can always buy it from the Love for Apple website. And do let us know if you have any specific question for this device. We would love to help you. You can like this video if this video helped you by clicking the like button below. You can subscribe to our YouTube video channel for more videos like this by clicking the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching this video. This is Abhishek signing off. Thank you.